Hey, this is Thomas Talon with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2019 250 Sea Ray SLX, their Select Series boat. This boat is equipped with the white hull side. Forward you'll see this boat has running lights and docking lights. Countersunk into the hull or your docking lights. Keeps this look nice and fresh. Beautiful lines on this boat. Walking towards the back, you'll see a nice swim deck with a sun pad. This boat is also equipped with the power assisted submersible swim platform. We've got 2 speakers on the back. Another look over at the starboard side of this hull. Walking forwards on the 250 Select, you'll see right here through your transom walkthrough, it's lined with sea decking. You also have a shower. You also have a remote for your Fusion stereo. Just a transom remote. You also have another remote up on your forward helm. Plenty of cup holders for your beverages. Stepping forwards to the cockpit, you'll see it has the woven vinyl flooring. Nice white interior. Plenty of seating to entertain your guests. You have the twin captain's chairs. This boat does have the premium stereo system. Has a amp powered with a sub. More Fusion speakers. You saw 2 on the back as well. Walking forwards, looking at the helm, you'll see side-by-side Simrad units. This will display all your engine performance, lake charts, water depth, whatever you need. All your switches and your throttle. The engine hatch is right here, and this boat is equipped with the MerCruiser 6.2 with the quiet rod technology. To the port of this vessel, you'll find a nice head that's plumbed with a small sink so you can freshen up your hands. The walkthrough is located here in the center. Also has a door that you can open up to block you from the wind. Plenty of seating up on the bow with flip down armrests. More Fusion speakers up front. Plenty of storage underneath all of these seats as well. Plenty of storage in the floor ski locker. Nice bimini top that provides ample shade. For more information on this boat, please stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location located at 14 Birdie Road, Greenville, South Carolina 29605, or check us out on the website at MarineMax.com.